Good morning, Crane.
Crane truck.
Hi, guys. Oh my God.
You're covered in mud.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's wash you.
What's next? What is this? Open. Open. Come here. Okay. Wow, it's a nice slide.
All clean now.
Look at this. Very nice. Transformation.
Next, go to the repair shop for
Are you
maintenance.
ready? Okay. Nice. I like it.
Tires are fine. Lights are
Very
bright.
nice.
Great.
What happened?
The crane arm has some dirt. Wipe it clean.
What's next? Come here.
Add some oil so it moves smoothly.
Okay.
Test the crane arm. Up high. Awesome.
It's so nice. Come here.
Maintenance done. Time to work.
Good job. Transformation. Let's go. Oh my God. What is this? Come here. Help me!
Oh no! A puppy is stuck.
Oh, no.
Let's go help.
Look at this. Okay.
The Ferris wheel's gear is broken.
Come here. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay. Hello.
Dump truck.
Come here. Let's go. Thank you. Are you ready?
Dump truck brings a new gear. The Ferris wheel works
It's
again.
amazing. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.